Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Useful DIY Challenge. It's a monthly challenge that is hosted by Mom from MomDas Handmade, and her co-host this month is Aileen from the Harts DIYs. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos. Please visit their channels and watch all the videos. Okay, I'm going to do something with this beautiful piece of fabric that we found at Joann's, my daughter and I. Hope you know already, we are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks, it's going to be linked in the description box also, so please pay a visit too. This is supposed to be a kitchen towel, but honestly, I would never use this as a kitchen towel. So, from the very first moment I saw it, I knew what I was going to do with it. But first I want to tell you something. I waited to use this for this challenge because this is a tribute to the hostess, Mom, because she is from India. She lives in India. And this beautiful towel is made in India. So I thought it was a nice tribute to her, who is an amazing lady. You have no idea. I love her to pieces. And so I want to use this in this challenge. I'm going to do a throw pillow. So I'm going to cut this in half. Wish me good luck. Let me check that this is exactly the half. Let's do this way. Okay. And I think this scissor is going to work better, hopefully, because this is new and the other one is old and it's not cutting as well as it did when it was new. So maybe it's time for its retirement, and this is working perfectly. And why am I cutting this in half? Because I want the tassels on both sides. God, I can't speak today. I'm really tired, so if I usually have problems with English, today is going to be worse, believe me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around, and so I'm going to have tassels on both sides of my throw pillow. So I'm going to use this Sugar Bonder sticks that are especially for fabric. They are really inexpensive. You get like, I think it's 10 or more, I don't know, for just $8 on Amazon. And believe me, they are perfect for fabric. Perfect. I will have to cut the tag so it won't be seen. I'm not going to bother when I fill in the throw pillow. So let me show you how am I going to do this side, and I'm going to do the rest off camera. Otherwise this is going to be a very long video, but as you can see, it's really easy to apply, and you can wash it and it's not going to come loose. Everything is going to stay in place. I've used it so many times and saves you so much time. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm not sponsored by Sugar Bonder, believe me. Okay, here we go. I'm going to close this. I'm off camera. No, I'm fine. Of course, I'm going to fold it a little bit to give it a better finish. And then I'm going to do the same with two other sides, because of course I need one side open to fill it in with some filling. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now I have all the borders sealed except for this one, and I started filling it in with, I don't have those pillow fillings. I don't have any pillow I could use, so I'm just using snow, fake snow from Christmas that I had around, so I'm filling it with this. And I'm going to close this border right now. This is a very, very easy DIY, and you will see in a while how I'm going to use it, where I'm going to use it. You're not supposed to move the fabric for a while after you close it with the glue, but as I didn't respect that, I can see that here it's opening, so I'm going to add more glue. You can also use the regular hot glue. I use this one because it really worked for me. I was happy when I washed my pillows and other things that I sealed with it, and nothing happened. Everything stayed perfectly glued, so I adopted this, and it's really, really inexpensive. It's less expensive than the regular hot glue, and probably it will open again somewhere, because as I said, you have to wait for a while before using and moving the fabric. But of course I needed you to see it, so this is how it looks. Probably needed more filling, but I didn't want something too bulky, so I'm glad with how it looks right now. Well, let me show you what I'm going to do with this. I need to move some things away. I'll put this away for a moment. Sorry for the noise. I have these books that were different things, nothing important, jokes and stuff like that. And this one I covered it in white, and this, of course, as you can see, as I use this paper, and I stencil the spines with these Dollar Tree stencils that are awesome. Oops. I use this one here and this one here. I don't have here, I use another one for this flourish, and this one and this one are these parts of the stencil. I don't use a brush, I use a marker. For me it's much easier, you don't have the bleeding, and makes things really, really faster. You can use it even on wood, like in this case. These are pieces of wood that I had around, so I decided to make some signs. This is another stencil. This for tomorrow The flourishes are from this stencil, and for tomorrow is from this one. And you can also use it on paint. I spray painted this sign, and I stenciled the word live and the flourish on it. So this marker works on many surfaces, and using the marker and not paint, I'm going to show you quickly, allows you to do things without worrying much about bleeding, and makes it faster, really faster. You see, it's a breeze. So well, that's how I made the spines of the books. Let me again move this, and I'm going to use, I hope this will fit in the frame of the camera. I'm going to use this on inside this crate that I have, that I love. I bought it at Family Dollar like 3 years ago. I think it's so farmhousey. I placed this book in the bottom to give those two ones a little bit of more high. I wanted them to be higher, so I'm placing the books here, and now I'm going to place the cushion or throw pillow here. I know you can't really see it fully, but you know that in the end I'm going to show you how it looks from afar and from the front. And I'm going to add some flowers here because this is for spring. But I first want to show you, when I told you several times, if you watch another videos, that we found a lot of things in the dumpster, and mainly that one day we found over $3,000 on flowers. So I'm going to show you some of those flowers. Let me move this for a moment. Bear with me. These are some. These are those I kept for me. There were many more. Look all these bouquets. I already cut some of the stems because I needed them shorter. Here another one. More. Look at this one. I love this one. And I have more. I'm going to see if I can zoom with the camera for you to see all of them. And again, these are the ones I kept. There were, I don't know, hundreds of them. Some my daughter kept them, some were donated. Let me move the camera. So you can see them all. This is amazing. They still have the tags on it, on them. I can't understand. See? They have the tag. This one doesn't have the price. But we found many different kinds of flowers. We found roses, you name it. But I love these bouquets, so those are the ones I kept. $9.99. Look at this. I don't know why they threw them away. I really have no idea. We can't figure it out. So I'm going to move them, and I'm going to finish. Oops. My crate, and I'm going to add these flowers. So here is the crate, and here are the flowers. Sorry, everything is too big, so I can't show you everything in full, but you will see in a few moments. And this is my DIY for today, for this challenge. Hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Also, please ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to MomDas and Aileen for hosting and co-hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist, and visit our dumpster diving channel too, why not? Thank you so much also to all of you for watching my video. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.